G'day, Funksole Brother here. I've just recently purchased the Insta360 X3 360 degree camera. It comes as a bundle, lens cap, 128 gig SD card, the Insta360 selfie stick, and a motorcycle mount bundle, which will obviously provide me with many opportunities to mount this thing to my bike. So let's unbox this stuff and see what the packages are made up of. Okay, so let's start with the motorcycle mount bundle. Okay, so comes with a nice padded box and instructions for use, and looks like we've got just a number of bags here containing a whole bunch of stuff. Let's check it out. It looks like we've got some adhesive pads. Looks like we've got a little tool of some sort, some thumb screws, some GoPro shoes, looks like lots of GoPro accessories, shoes and clips. Awesome. In the next bag, looks like we've got the clamp, which will obviously be fantastic to be able to attach to any part of the bike, and it also has the RAM mount on it as well, so that's pretty cool. I've seen some videos of this and looks quite sturdy. Okay, next bag. The next bag comes with the extension that suits the RAM mount. So these are a 1-inch ball fitting. So that's pretty cool, and that's also got the generic screw at the back that'll obviously fit into most photographic equipment, which is pretty cool. Lastly, it looks like we've got the little arm. It also provides some additional extension, and that's made of steel. That's quite sturdy, so that's pretty cool. Okay, the SD card is a SanDisk Extreme Pro Micro SDXC UHS-1 card with adapter. That's a 128 gig card. That looks like it's a good for 4K, good for UHD, and should do the job considering it comes supplied with the unit. Here we have the Insta360 invisible selfie stick and tripod. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so it's got quite a bit of weight to it. And okay, fantastic. This obviously extends. Okay, that's more like a invisible selfie stick and tripod, so interesting. What am I missing here? Aha. Okay, so that extends. Duh. Okay, so that's pretty, it's about 1.2 meters. And it has a little, I don't know if you can see that, but it has a little push button on the bottom here that you push, and that extends the tripod feet. Fantastic. 1.2 meters. Okay, so I've cheated by taking the plastic wrap off of the 360 camera, just to make it easy to open up. So it's just got some details here about what's in the box. A couple of nice photos and some of the features. 5.7K 360 degree capture, single lens mode, 72 megapixel 360 degree photos, active HDR video, invisible selfie stick, flow state stabilization, 360 degree horizon lock, that'll be good. It's waterproof up to 33 feet or 10 meters. It offers voice control and has AI powered editing. Awesome. Let's check it out. Okay, so the first thing you see is the camera itself. She's a very neat little unit, let me tell you. Okay, it's got quite a bit of bulk to it. As you can see, it's about the thickness of my thumb, and it fits in my hand like so. Fantastic. Let's see what else is in here. A little box off to the side that has a power cable, the usual silica gel power cable. That looks like it's the cover of some sort. Let's check it out. Oh no, it's a little Insta360 waterproof pouch. Okay, well, not waterproof pouch, but just a little extra little carry bag that'll keep it protected that little bit more. That's fantastic. We've got what to know, so I guess that's instruction manual and a quick start guide. And we've got safety guidelines, and we've got the usual warranty card. Stickers, and looks like some other little soft material, and it looks like a cleaning cloth. Yep, Insta360 cleaning cloth. Fantastic. And I think that's about it. There's nothing else under there. Okay, so that's what makes up the whole bundle that I have received. Fantastic. Look forward to getting amongst it and seeing how this thing works. So there you have it. That was almost the complete unboxing video there of the Insta360. The only thing I forgot to show you was the little lens cap. So obviously it just slides over the top just to give you that extra protection of the lens cap. Obviously I'll be able to use the little pouch that came with it as well, just for that added protection. But really, at the end of the day, this is something that you'll be able to take with you everywhere. I know we all keep our phones with us all the time, and we're always opening it up and taking photos and taking video on our phones, but this is also a one-stop shop as well, and you know, you can put that anywhere. So yeah, that was a fantastic unboxing, pretty exciting. Look forward to getting out and using it, and I'll report back, let you know how I go in the first few days of using the Insta360 X3. Till next time, thanks, brother.